Very good morning. So, in this session, we would be talking about one of the recent researches which is on Paleosaurus, and that is a groundbreaking research because in this fossil of Paleosaurus, which is a marine dinosaur, intact skin as well as scales have been found, which is a very important discovery in the terms of biomechanical development. So, these kind of topics are highly important for your upcoming prelims examination, and we'll be covering many of these in the upcoming sessions, so stay subscribed. Now this fossil is a really interesting fossil. This has been the Paleopterus wild, which is a kind of Paleosaurus. Now this Paleosaurus have been important because this is the one which is a marine dinosaur, as I already said, but as you can see, the scales have been intact in the case of this fossil, which is a unique discovery because so far about Paleosaurus what was known was only scaly content, which was the skeleton content, which was the skeletal remains which were found, and this is a unique exception to it. Now the soft tissues that have been found would actually lead way for further discoveries because this would open the way for the skin, the scales, the keratin pigment which is present, and would actually open corridors for evolutionary development of long-necked predators. Now this Paleosaurus is unique because it has a fleshy tail fin, and this tail is actually extremely rare, which can be seen in other dinosaurs, and it not only acts as a rudder but also as a propulsor. So what happens is it can maneuver very quickly and with a great speed. So that's one of the unique characteristics for it, and along with that, it is known for subtle controls, the silent gliding that can be seen with Paleosaurus. So it has two keratin pigments, the alpha keratin and the beta keratin. Now beta keratin is found on the scaly flippers, however alpha keratin is found on the smooth tail skin, and both of them are really important. So the beta keratin, which is found on the flipper scales, are actually tiny tiny triangular structures which are basically reinforced in the system for better aquatic propulsions. Now one of the interesting things that has been seen about this fossil is that this fossil was seen with scales, skin, and the keratin intact, and that was because possibly it was found in the Posidonia shale. Now Posidonia shale is one of the areas which is known for low oxygen seabed, and because of the low oxygen content there is very slow degradation of the fossil that occurs. As a result, the soft tissues of the fossils are still preserved for nearly 183 million years, and you can understand that this discovery itself is important. Now the tail skin, as we can see here, which is present, has what is known as melanosomes. Now these melanosomes are really important because these are pigments, granules, which help us understand that there was molted coloring in the skin, and this helps us to identify that this fossil actually was one which could, this species was one which could camouflage itself. However, so far our studies have said that there was no color which was seen with Paleosaurus. They were usually pale and monochrome, but this molted coloring with the help of melanosomes have helped us understand that they might had visual camouflage and as well as the social signaling. So those features are very close to the modern aquatic animals and the modern evolution. So the flipper structure, as we said, is beyond the passive locomotion. It has scales, it has keratin, and therefore the steering and the sudden turns that could be taken were possible, similar to the forelimbs of the modern turtles. So the modern turtle forelimbs, and this had a very high resemblance. So this fossil has been categorized under the catalog MH7. Now MH7 includes, as we said, the skin, the scales and the keratin, and this is one of the important discoveries. Now similar to these, we'll be talking about other major researches and other developments in science and technology, biotechnology and other fields which are really important for your upcoming prelims examinations. So stay tuned for more updates from our side. Have a great day. Thanks for joining in.